Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize your car in Rocket League Sideswipe. So to do this, you will need some items first. To get them, you'll need to go to item shop and open daily mystery items, for example. Acquire them by playing game in matches, like here. Or go to Rocket Pass and just complete every challenge here, and you will get items from this list. And to customize your car, you need to go to garage. First pick the car that you actually want to customize, for example this one, and press on it, or go back and edit loadout as well. And from here you'll be able to select your decals on your car, so it will change its pattern. I don't have any. Wheels, for example this one, your hat, which I don't have as well, your boost, I have it like this, then your color, which you can change on side like this. So for blue team it will be more of the blue colors, and on the red team it will be more of the red colors. And here you can just change your goal explosion, so when you score a goal, the explosion will be different, which I don't have any, so I can't show you any example. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.